This video, I'm gonna create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two email cleaner, which is Sanebox and Clean Email. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Sanebox in 2025 is a smart email management tool that automatically filters your inbox, moving less important messages into folder like Sound Later or Sound News. It saves time, reduces overwhelm, and works seamlessly with email provider. The drawback is that it's subscription based and its AI filter aren't always perfect, so you may still need to double check. Clean Email, by contrast, focus on bulk cleaning and organization. Its group email by type lets you unsubscribe in one click and also offer a strong privacy protection. It's excellent for decluttering large backlog, but it's less automated than Sandbox and require more manual input. So in short, Sandbox is better for ongoing inbox management, while Clean Email shines for one-time deep clean and privacy-conscious users. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.